Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss Maytag Dryer not turning on and how to easily troubleshoot. Number 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the dryer is plugged in and the circuit breaker is not tripped. If it's tripped, reset it. Number 2. Inspect the door switch. Verify the door is fully closed. If the door switch is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Number 3. Examine the thermal fuse. Test the thermal fuse with a multimeter for continuity. If blown, replace it as it may prevent the dryer from starting. Number 4. Test the start switch. Press the start button and listen for a click. If it's unresponsive, test it with a multimeter and replace it if necessary. Number 5. Check the drive belt. If the belt is broken or loose, replace or reposition it to restore functionality. Thanks for watching.